You feel stuck. You feel like you've hit a wall. But what if I told you you're not lost? You're just in the middle of becoming something bigger. Everyone goes through this stage. The pain, the confusion. It's all part of the process, and you're already in it. Growth isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, even when it hurts. And pain? It's not a sign of failure. It's the thing that builds us. You won't find the answers by waiting for clarity to appear. You find it through action. Every step you take, even when it's hard, is a step forward. You're not falling apart. You're just being rebuilt. Let's talk about why it feels like you're stuck. Most of us have this picture of success: fast, easy, with no struggles. But real success comes from the struggles, the failures, and the lessons learned. You're in the process of becoming someone better, and that's something worth fighting for. So, the next time you feel lost, don't panic. Embrace it. Use it. You're in the middle, and that's exactly where transformation happens. Take a step today. Tomorrow is waiting for you.